Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We're from Group 9. Today we will present about the antivirus, and before we begin the presentation, let me introduce myself and my friends. My name is Tenggali Pangestu and my friend is the Rizka Fitra. So first is the background system. What is the antivirus? An antivirus is a computer software that function as the computer protector from the virus attacks. This antivirus will provide the protection and security to the data and the system on the computer. Okay, next is the security basic theory. First is the security concept. Security concept. Computer security basically is the protection of the computer system and the information from the harm, theft, and the unauthorized use. It is the process of the preventing and the detecting and unauthorized use of your computer system. Okay. Next is the second is the threats in the security concept. Ransomware is the form of malware that encrypts victim files. The attacker then demands ransom from the victim to restore access to the data upon payment. There are a number of the factors ransomware can take to access of a computer. One of the most common for delivery system is the phishing spam or attachments that common to the victim in an email, masquerading as a file they sold trust. And there are the several things the malware may do once it's taken over the victim computer. But by far the most common action is to encrypt some or all the user files. There are defensive steps you can take to prevent the ransomware infection. Always update operating system. Don't install an unknown software. Install the antivirus software, especially which can detect the ransomware. Back up your files. Next is the type of the security. First is the network security. Network security is any activity designed to protect the usability and the integrity of your network and data. Network security prevents the unauthorized user from getting inside your network. This type of the security is the necessary to prevent a hacker from accessing data inside the network. The example is the firewall. The second is the internet security. The internet security tends to fall under the name of the cybersecurity. It deals legally with the transit of the information. They create the public and the private key. When the interaction with the customer takes place, ensuring the integrity of the data during the transaction, include the security parallels on the premise the security producer in that the goals are generally the same to protect the stored data and data in the transfer. Third is the endpoint security. Endpoint protection systems are designed to quickly detect, analyze, block, and the content attacks in the progress. And endpoint security solution include the continuous monitoring, rapid time to the detection, and the actual integration. 4 is the cloud security. Cloud-based data storage has become a popular option over the last decade due to its enhanced privacy as well. Saving data on could make it accessible from any device, but need the correct authentication. The last is the application security. With the application security, application are specifically coded at the time of their creation to be as secure as possible. This layer of security involves evaluating the code of an application and identification the vulnerabilities that may exist within the software.
Terima kasih. My name is from Group 9, and I will continue to explain this presentation for tools of security concept. There are 5 tools of security concept. First, firewall. Firewall is a network security device that monitors incoming and outgoing work, traffic, and reset layer to allow or block specific traffic. 2. Encryption. Encryption is the process that scramble whatever text that it can only be read by the person who has this secret encryption key. 3. Antivirus. Antivirus software help protect your computer against malware and cyber criminals. Antivirus software is a developed software application that circulating over the network to your device. For content filtering, web content filtering is a technique that blocks and screen access to inappropriate or uncensored content. 5. Password. A password is a word, phrase, or string of characters intended to prove one's identity or authorize access to a resource. And next, problem analysis. First steps of antivirus. There are 3 types of antivirus. First, malware signature antivirus. Malware is installed virus and spyware on your computer without your knowledge. Malware can steal your information, use your computer to send spam, crash on your system, and use your signal access to your device. And through system monitoring antivirus, this is where system monitoring antivirus software competency-based antivirus protection can monitor software and computer system for behavior that is suspect of the user. For instance, alerts are created when a user connects to unfamiliar sites or attempts to access a large numbers of files. And 3. Machine learning antivirus. Another form of protection can be machine learning techniques, which monitors normal computer behaviors. The machine learning antivirus software is able to limit activities by programs or computers if they look suspicious. More specifically, machine learning detection implements algorithms to facilitate malware detection that is broader in scope. And 2. How antivirus works. First, on-access scanning. In this method, antivirus works to analyze all the action we do, such as opening files, opening programs, and others. For example, if we open a program with the example checking if the program we open is dangerous, there will be a notification about it. And two, a full system scan. Full system scan is a manual scan method that is usually used because the current scan method runs automatically. A full system scan is usually used in a condition where we want to install a new antivirus and when we install the operating system. Virus definition. Virus development is a very risky thing for antivirus companies. Therefore, they identify data about new virus and code information according to existing developments. This method works by matching several known pieces of malware or virus and then separating the file to effectively play or run according to your definition. The virus method can identify virus by monitoring the behavior or action performed by programs that run without matching the virus definition. For example, making copies of data, trying to open files with an extension on your system, and so on. 5. False positive errors that are often made through antivirus programs that identifies a program that is actually good but considered a virus. This is called a false positive. And 3 benefits using antivirus. You can protection from virus. Antivirus is designed with the aim of protection and protecting your computer from virus attack and its spread. Before damaging your computer, the antivirus has taken action against the virus. 2. Defense against hackers and data thieves. And 3. Ensure protection from vulnerable device. 4. Block spams and ads. And 5. Limit the access of websites to enhance web protection. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.